How much is it?
Free.
Free?
0, yes.
That's right, guys. Today we will be making the world's first free lemonade stand. And you can quote me on that. The world's first free lemonade stand. I scrolled through YouTube and the only free lemonade stands there were in video games. And do video games count? No! So today we will be making the world's first free lemonade stand. But of course, before we actually sell lemonade, we need all the materials first. So my sister made the poster, my mom made the lemonade, and I got the stand ready. Now with everything acquired, let's get on the road.
Is this your video?
Hi, would you like some lemonade? It's for free. You can just have a cup of tea.
Oh, this one recording right over there.
Sure, sure.
Now we just get this.
So we got our first donation, and let me tell you, I was kinda hyped.
You can have more if you like. We have balance. We have made $1. Would you guys like some lemonade? It doesn't cost you anything.
It's free.
I think I'm good.
You can just have a cup and leave. It doesn't cost anything.
I'll have a little bit.
Okay.
I actually don't have cash, sorry.
Would you guys like some lemonade? It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything.
2 donations.
Oh no, we don't need any.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'll grab a cup too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys
Good
have a
luck.
good one.
Do you want lemonade?
It doesn't cost anything. It's free.
Want some?
Awesome. Do you guys want more? You can have it.
Maybe just one more.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you can have some lemonade. It's completely free. It's iced tea lemonade. So,
Okay.
here you go. Thank you. No problem. Oh, did your friend like some too? Awesome.
Wait, so you know?
Thank you. Would you guys like some lemonade? It's free.
It's free lemonade.
Oh, you're good, but thank you.
It's free.
You want some?
Yeah. Awesome. You guys can have some free lemonade.
I'm good, but thank you. Why would you turn on free lemonade? Lemonade.
Have a good day.
Stop talking so much.
So we were analyzing yesterday's performance, and we realized that when we said that our lemonade was for free and people saw our sign that says pay what you want, they would think that we are liars. So today we will be ripping off our sign that says pay what you want, and let's see how many customers we get.
Would you like free lemonade? Free iced tea lemonade?
Free iced tea lemonade?
Yeah, it's that right? Yeah. Oh, it's free.
Sure. It's free.
It's free.
Why is it free?
Why'd you guys YouTube video?
Dang, you guys are so nice.
To experiment.
Hidden cameras?
Kind of, yeah.
Oh.
This is $40 tripod.
I didn't see that. Yeah.
Hi, would you like some free iced tea lemonade? It's free.
Sure.
Okay.
Awesome.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Would you like some too?
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
No problem.
How much is it?
Free.
Free?
0, yes.
What is it?
Iced tea lemonade.
Oh, okay.
You would like some?
Alright.
Okay.
Why is it free?
It's for a YouTube video, social experiment.
Oh, okay.
This is all we'll have left, so you're the last person to get it.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
And with that last drop of lemonade, we have made 11 people's day just a little bit better. Do you want to know what would make my day just a little bit better? If this video could hit 30 likes. And if you made it to the end, comment #free lemonade stand. Peace out.